Hey everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the system. In this right section we will have this date and time option, so let's simply tap. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are inactive, and because of that we cannot really manually change the date and time. It is because we are using all of the options, automatic options. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers here, and then we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. Just find it, tap on it and tap on OK. In the same situation with the time, just set the time you'd like to apply and tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions, so just find yours and tap on it, for example this one. It will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's pretty normal. Right here we've got the time format, so of course again you can decide whether you want to use the 24-hour format just like now, so make sure that this option is turned on, or 12-hour one, just turn off this option. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can always go back to all previous settings which are automatic just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.